Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sofa. Today we're gonna have another unpack video. I just received recently this package and I was kind of like waiting for a while for it. Now finally, since I got it, I actually would like to share it with you all. And let's start. So just grab my knife. Okay. Here. Let me see. I'll be very careful opening up. There's some documents in them and quite interesting document lot. Yeah, I just cut it right on the edge. It would be better, I think. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Now, what do we have here? Let's take it out. Perfect. Nothing in it? Nope. That's it. So, what do we have here? A complete document lot and something very unique and very interesting. Not very common, I would say. For a female fighter. So we have it here for, who is this? Maxakovi Yekaterina Mikhailovna, and there are several appreciations documents. This one is very interesting. It's by the decree or by the order of July or from July 22nd, 1944. Appreciation for taking the city home. It's very interesting. And the next document will be also, that's also to one person, the city Lublin, if I'm correct, should be Poland, I think. And I will just go with this one, will be the last. I will use those. Okay, here's also an appreciation for breaking through the German lines at the direction of Babruisk. Very interesting. Has a lot of interesting potential for research. What else do we have here? For participating in the battles and liberation of the Krepость fortification, castle fortification, Kustrin. That's a very interesting, because Kustrin was actually, once it was actually taken, it would be an easier way to go to Berlin. So I think there's a lot of interesting history behind them. And what is that? That's for the breakthrough and defense of the German lines, Kovel, so it's Belarus. And just recognize everything from one person. From a female fighter. For taking the cities Stargrad, Naugrad, and Polzin. It's either Poland or already East Germany, former East Germany. And now we're gonna come to the most interesting thing. That's 23rd April 1943. Breakthrough through the German defense line and Berlin. So they break through. So that might be even the what do you call it? The Seelower Heights. So that's very interesting. Correct me if I was wrong. And the last one, that's pretty interesting, for taking over the city Berlin, 2nd May. Now this is something very amazing because all those documents belong to one female fighter. I would need to research them and put it out on my Instagram channel so everybody can take a look at it. And I'm very happy that I purchased this set. As far as I know, these were only 8 documents belonging to one woman, so I will just need to check it out. And I think I got the complete a lot, so at least some history was saved and not torn apart. So I hope you like this little review. Stay tuned for more stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, to like my channel, leave a comment, it's also appreciated. And thanks again, and I wish you all a great Saturday and nice weekend ahead. Bye guys.